The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Bruno Police Department and San Bruno City Hall. Large groups of individuals, including residents and out-of-state travelers, are gathering near YouTube headquarters in San Bruno and several major city centers. These groups are attempting to protest and disrupt operations in response to the recent statewide meme reset order. Some gatherings have become unruly, and reports indicate property damage, traffic blockages, and aggressive behavior. If you are near San Bruno, do not join the riot, or police officers will ask you why you're at the riot. Please stay tuned for more information on this situation.